Hi guys, welcome to Food Fantasy World. Today we are making healthy cupcakes, gluten-free recipe. No sugar, no jaggery, no honey. Easy and yummy recipe. Dates 10.
फ्रॉस्टिंग बनाने वो ब्राउन शुगर खत्म
ब्राउन है.
ब्राउन कर दो
Make fine paste. Keep aside. In a bowl, egg 1. Whisk nicely. Baking powder 2 tablespoon. Oil 4 tablespoon. Cocoa powder 2 tablespoon. Vanilla essence half tablespoon optional. Ragi flour 1 cup. Dates paste. Mix everything. I am using coconut milk half cup. Perfect consistency. Spray oil to the mold. Transfer to the cupcake mold. Choco chip optional. Bake for 15 minutes on 170 degrees. Yummy cakes ready to serve. Do these kind of recipes for kids, not to buy packed food. If you guys like my videos, please like, share and subscribe. Press bell icon whenever I upload new video. Get notified. Thanks for watching. See ya. Bye.